Welcome to the Quicken Home Business and Rental Property tutorial. This guide will walk you through the process of managing your home business and rental property finances using Quicken. First, you need to set up your Quicken account by creating a new file and selecting the Home and Business option. This will allow you to track your personal and business finances in one place. Next, you will need to set up your rental property accounts. This includes creating a new account for each rental property and tracking the income and expenses associated with each property. You can also set up accounts for your home business, including income and expense accounts. To track income, you will need to set up invoices and receipts. Quicken allows you to create custom invoices and track payments from tenants or customers. You can also track expenses by categorizing them as business or personal expenses. Quicken also allows you to track depreciation and amortization of your rental properties and business assets. This is an important step in accurately tracking your expenses and maximizing your tax deductions. In addition to tracking income and expenses, Quicken also allows you to generate reports and graphs to help you visualize your financial data. This includes profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. To get the most out of Quicken, it is essential to regularly reconcile your accounts and review your financial data. This will help you catch any errors or discrepancies and ensure that your financial records are accurate. By following these steps and using Quicken to manage your home business and rental property finances, you can save time and money and make informed decisions about your financial future. Quicken is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your financial management and achieve your financial goals.